If you need to update your phone number on Uber, follow these simple steps to ensure your account information is current. This will help you receive ride notifications and updates without any issues. Step 1. Open the Uber app. Launch the Uber app on your smartphone. Make sure you are logged into your account. Step 2. Access your profile. Tap on the menu icon, usually located in the upper left corner of the screen. From the menu, select Settings to access your account settings. Step 3. Select your phone number. In the Settings menu, look for the option labeled Phone Number. Tap on it to view your current phone number. Step 4. Edit your phone number. Once you are on the phone number page, tap the edit icon with the option to change your number. Enter your new phone number in the provided field. Step 5. Verify your new number. After entering your new phone number, Uber will send a verification code to that number. Check your messages for the code, enter it in the app, and confirm the change. Now your phone number is updated on your Uber account. Make sure to keep your contact information current to ensure smooth communication with the service.